Two purposes here. One is to lead a delegation from Savannah, Georgia, to introduce the mayor of Savannah to my king, Otumfuo. Also, his delegation with the state representative in the city council. That's the formal reason for me being here. But the informal is for me to greet my big brother, the king of the Ashanti Nation, Otumfuo himself. Our mayor wants to present several gifts to you to show our appreciation for your time. We know that you're busy. We know it was almost an imposition, but you honored us, and we want to show our appreciation. So we're going to ask the mayor to present the gift.
What?
Should we present it?
I'm up, right? Thank you again. The key to the city and our tradition is the highest honor that can be given. And although we know His Majesty visited us in 2002, we're welcoming him back as soon as he's able, the schedule allows. But this is an enduring piece of our friendship and representative of our honor and appreciative of this opportunity. This is another gift on behalf of our delegation. Again, being very extremely grateful for this opportunity, being very grateful for his hospitality and graciousness, and this is from the people of Savannah.
Your Majesty, when you came to Savannah, Georgia, we remembered that you announced your educational fund for the Ashanti people. So on behalf of the mayor and on behalf of all of us who are gathered here, we want to leave you with a delegation fund for the education fund. We admire you for putting education at the top of your agenda. And so therefore we want to present you with this money to put in the educational fund. So, Majesty, we also know that your people work very hard for you. And one of your people stayed in contact with me to make sure that we had this audience. So with your permission, we want to give Mr. Ernest Sahini one of our gifts to say thank you, with your permission. And finally, Your Majesty, I don't know if Mr. Kojo Yonka told you, but I am now a citizen of Ghana. And I purposely chose Kumasi as my hometown. I chose Savannah because you are not only my brother, you are my king. Thank you.
I hope you say, Omudians and Chene are there or do I that's the Asantino Mountain. Now, or the Achedian by I feel so bad, Sabi, Umuho, I think you know. Okay, Sabi, and Omesia Hawasem, education fund, and also Omuka Boma, the Aka also edited. Now, Mama, now, Ombadi was say, they said they were Fakumasi, Sidikua, and no Betinum, I in Libya, and you are known in Libya also, and no prepared.
Good afternoon. I welcome Dr. Silva, the mayor and the delegation back home here. I recall in 2022 when I visited, because you had been here, then you invited me there. And I still have fond memories of Savannah, Georgia. And the reception, that I was given at that time when I was there. And I think we promised to be back, and I haven't been. So maybe this is the time for me to come back as you've been here. So I look forward to coming back to see my people over there. And as I said to you when I came, I said, you are mine, and therefore we wouldn't let the ocean separate us. The circumstances that we find ourselves. I still said to the people there that 400 years ago, there was no way my forefathers could have even appreciated what was happening. And even up to this time, when African economies are still being dictated to by Western powers, even in this day of modernity, where we say that we've gone through school and everything, we still have not been able to wriggle ourselves from the fangs of colonialism. And I have to be honest with you, our economies and everything are geared towards the West. And if we have to manufacture, we just import our raw materials to be sent to be processed and brought back here at a very expensive price for us to pay. We have all the resources in Africa, but unfortunately we don't have the extractive knowledge to do it, and therefore gold and bauxite and everything are shipped out, and then value is added there, and we are paid just a pittance of it here. So the circumstances we are in, we still find ourselves in now as it was in 400 years ago. But I thank God that I have my people who have developed and learned so much from there that I can benefit from here. And that is why I would encourage you that this is your home. Dr. Silva is shown the lead, and I'm here ready to welcome you anytime. And you are in America, but Kumasi and Ashanti and Ghana is where you belong. And so I give you all the assurance that you are most welcome anytime, and that we will show you the affection and love. We will give you all what is necessary to support you to be able to accept that this is where you are from. So I thank you for this. In fact, today was a day that I wouldn't have seen anyone. But I was told by Mr. Saine, and I said, okay, if it's Dr. Silva leading a delegation from Savannah, which is my home, I would then go against some of the traditions and then meet you this afternoon. And that's why I'm here, because it's a sacred day that I don't have to meet anyone at all. But I've done this for you because I want you to know that you are welcome home. And 23 years ago, the memory still hangs with me. And I thank you for coming back. Like I said, we have to arrange Mayor Johnson for me. Fortunately, I have the key to Savannah. And once I have the key to Savannah, I don't even need to seek any permission. I'll just come in and open the doors myself and come. So So I thank you for this visit, and I appreciate your presence here in Kumasi and Ghana. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We want to shake everybody's hand before we leave. Great
Opemsuo,